When we subtract complex numbers, the rule builds on exactly what we already know. We still separate real parts from imaginary parts, but there is one critical difference. We have to handle the subtraction sign first. Before we combine anything, we must distribute the negative. Now let's apply that to our problem. We are subtracting 6 minus 3i, minus the quantity -4 minus 7i. Step 1. Distribute the negative. This is the step most people rush and where most mistakes happen. We have a subtraction sign in front of the second group. That means we multiply every term inside the second parentheses by -1. -4 becomes +4. -7i becomes +7i. So our expression becomes 6 minus 3i plus 4 plus 7i. Step 2. Drop the parentheses and regroup. Now that the negative is distributed, the parentheses are gone. We rewrite everything in one line. 6 minus 3i plus 4 plus 7i. Group the real parts together and the imaginary parts together. Real parts, 6 and 4. Imaginary parts, -3i and +7i. Step 3. Combine like terms. Real parts, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Imaginary parts, -3i plus 7i equals +4i. Step 4. Write the final answer in a plus bi form. Our answer is 10 plus 4i. Real part 10. Imaginary part +4.
And here is the key takeaway. Subtracting complex numbers is not harder than adding them. It is the same process with one extra step at the beginning. Distribute the negative first. Then combine like terms exactly as before. Clean, simple, and consistent every single time.